Hope you guys are doing well. I just came from the supermarket and I'm going home. It's snowing. You guys can't really. I'll have to turn the camera around to see if you guys can see better. But it's snowing here in New York. It's sticking a little. But yeah. Let me see if I can turn the camera around so I can show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see the snow. Let me see. Let me stop. No, it's really light, guys. Really light, but it's snowing. It's supposed to be snowing. It's supposed to snow today and tomorrow. So let's see. Okay, so good morning, guys. We're about to see how bad of a snowstorm it is outside. I haven't looked outside yet, so we're about to see what's going on out there at the same time. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! It looks worse in person than in camera, and it sounds so cold. It's so windy. Oh my god! Wow. This is how it is over here. Really windy and it's snowing. You just can't see it, but it's snowing. It's cold. People can't even walk. Look at that poor lady.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm here in the world, the Children's Hospital. The Children's Hospital. Y miren cómo está el clima aquí. A diferencia de allá del Bronx, Nueva York completo, aquí está totalmente caliente, caluroso. Bye. Bueno, mi gente, estamos aquí en el trabajo. Es mi hora de almuerzo, para la comida. Están mi compañero de trabajo. Y aquí estamos. Hello. Aquí estamos muriéndonos del calor, pero estamos activos. Mujeres, say hi. Hey. We're here in the children's hospital. Tomorrow I'm going to the adult hospital.
Hey guys. So I was talking to Melkus and I was like, Melkus, it'll be a good idea if you record a little bit on your side and send it to me so I can put it on my vlogs, and I record on my side and I'll post it on my vlogs together in one video, because you guys know that I'm not working just yet. So it's like I don't do much. So sometimes I don't even know what to record. So then I'm like, he works all the time. So I'm like, if I put a piece of my day and a piece of his day, then they'll make a video at least. So that's what you guys just saw. A few pieces of his day. He's at work right now. He works until tomorrow. And yeah, so I was like, let me let my people know what's going on. Like, once I have a job and it start getting warmer and stuff, then the videos are gonna be more worth it. In DR was different because in DR I went out often, like to the bank, to the mall, to do this, to do that with a car. Here in New York, it's just not the same. Like, it's cold. No, you guys hear the wind? Nobody goes outside. There's nothing to do. Talk to you guys later. Good morning again, guys. Let's see what the weather looks like this morning. Oh, not so bad. It's really sunny. It's not so bad out here. Okay. That's fine. Good morning, mi gente. So I always put, every Sunday, I put products on my hair because, my hair is falling a lot, especially, you can tell from here. So every morning, every Sundays, I wake up a little extra early before church and add some, like, crazy product. Not crazy product, but I feel like I put a lot of product. But let me show you. Today I just put this one on. I had it for a little while, but I kept forgetting. It's black. Let me see. Black Jamaican castor oil, moisture and growth, original dark moisture. That's what I need stuff. I was trying to use this from Hair Plus, like I told you guys before about Hair Plus, but it's just I haven't used it so long that I have to figure out how can I like wet it so it can start working again. So I didn't use that one, but let me show you guys. I use this. My pastora was like, get coconut oil and put it. This is the first thing I always use on my hair so it can hit my scalp first. So this is our coconut oil. And then I use my little Hair Plus Gotero because I need a miracle. This is for crecimiento, for hair growth. And I put this, which is also from, I showed you guys in the video before, but it's also from Hair Plus. It's supposed to also help with hair growth. Yeah, hair growth, basically. Yeah, so the little stuff I put on my hair, so my hair looks really oily this morning. I'm gonna leave it for like an hour, 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna shower and take it off. Because I have to get ready for church soon too. So yeah, I just felt like I should kind of show you guys what I put on my hair. Alrighty guys, so here's my hair after washing it and everything. And this is the little hairstyle I did. I try to do twist and then I put a rubber band, twist and then a rubber band. And then here I had hair sticking up, so I had to put this on so it can like, you know, hold this still. But then I'm like, one doesn't look right. So then I had to put another one in here on this side. So this is the hairstyle. Something simple. Yeah, so let's see if my hair dries up nicely.
Dios le bendiga. Amén. Dios le bendiga más. Amén. Hoy vamos a estar leyendo Salmo 117. Alabad a Jehová naciones todas, pueblos todos alabadle, porque ha agradecido sobre nosotros su misericordia, y la fidelidad de Jehová es para siempre. Aleluya. Amén.
Hi guys, so this is Francia. Say hi, Francia. She's a headache.
She loves me. She's lying. She
No.
totally loves me. She loves me.
She's a headache. Look at Julian.
He wants I say
Look at Julian. Julian. Oh guys, yay. Look, say hi to my YouTube channel. This is Jedediah. This is my nephew. He just turned 4. My oldest nephew. Say hi. I love him. He's my first baby. And then Nova. And now it's Julian. The little ball of fire that starts trouble. Okay, look at Julian. He knows how to walk, yeah. Little troublemaker. Let me go see if the church van has left me yet. Alright guys, so this is what I'm eating. Some white rice with salmon. Salmon has onions and black pepper, a little bit of vinegar, and a little bit of olive oil, a fried egg, and fried spam. So for dessert, I'm going to eat some expired cookies. These are expired. Yes, they were expired December 7th, but I said I don't care. They were in the fridge. They were closed, so I'm still going to eat some. So I have these here, air frying. I'm gonna take it out in a few seconds though, because they're already done. Here they are, guys. They look good. I'm gonna let them cool off for a little bit.
Buenas noches, mi gente. Estoy aquí en el hospital de adultos. Todo tranquilo. Y aquí estamos. Cuídense, mi gente. Dios les bendiga. Bye, buenas noches.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, this weekend vlog, because honestly during the week I don't do much. So I think most of my vlogs until I work or something are gonna be on weekends, like on the weekends. So, or unless I go out and do something, then I'll record like during the week. But yeah guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. Talk to you guys soon. Hope you guys like this video. If you watch to the end, you guys can leave a snowflake. I'm gonna leave it like around right here so you guys can leave snowflakes, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys, God bless.